video, we've got all of them in the front room. Mama Food is down there. Let me just look at the camera. Can you see her? Oh, she's going to fall off the sofa. That's not good. Let me slide down. Here's Mama Food. There she is. There's that Fuji Mama. She's got a bit of a sore eye. Gonna have to get that checked by the vets. Wicket is down the side. Probably can't see him. Wicket! Wicket! Yeah, he's just kind of hid down the side. There's Fuji. And then there's Chloe and Gizmo. And Sophie the giraffe. That's not good. Oh, look at, check out Chloe and Gizmo. They are so cute. Where are they? There they are. There's Chloe. There's Chloe Barn. Gizmo's just behind her. They are being so cute. They have not. This is like true romanticism. They haven't humped or anything. They're just chilling in the chair. Just chilling. You babies. Hey? Look, your little nose is going. Look, Chloe's little nose going. Look at it. What are you doing, Chloe Pan? Hey? They're just chilling in the chair. It's all good. And Owen's down there as well. Just side note, there's an Owen. 4 bunnies and an Owen.